Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, getting ready to blacken the screws for the 999, so I figured I would go ahead and shoot a video since I was doing it anyway. Anyway, as you see, I've blackened the first screw. It's actually looks quite authentic. It looks like the original screw. Now, these modern screws are plated, of course, to prevent rusting. They're zinc plated. So anyway, you've got to get that plating off of there to turn them black. So what I've got is a small metal dish, as you see, full of 30 weight motor oil, 40 weight in this case. This is Dollar General El Cheapo motor oil. That's all you need. So we're going to heat this screw red hot. Now this is plated, so we've got to get that plating off of there. So what I'm going to do is light this torch. Like I said, you can do this on the kitchen stove. So the torch is lit. Now take the screw and dip it in the oil. And then put it directly in the fire. Now we're going to heat this screw until it is red hot. Cherry red. Like I said, you can do it on the kitchen stove. It takes longer, but it works. Just need a way to hold the screw. Needle nose work, vice grips, standard pliers. So you see that thing is just absolutely cherry red. So nice and orange. This thing's smoking hot. And we take it and drop it directly into the oil. Roll it around. Turn off the torch. Grab a rag here. And don't touch this with your fingers. This thing is still smoking hot. And as you see, you have a black screw. And this will actually look like a genuine original screw. As you see, makes a tremendous difference, and it's instant. And it won't rust. That's the nice thing about this. Once it's oxidized, it'll never rust again. And it gives you an instant replacement screw for your 999. So let that cool. Turn this over, take out this screw. All right, grab this one, install it. And as you see, a black screw. It works absolutely perfectly. It only takes a minute. You can do it on the kitchen stove. But it allows you to use these El Cheapo screws. And once you have this done, it looks like the genuine screw. So anyway, 632 screws are what you need. This works. It's really inexpensive. It only takes a minute to do it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.